actually, the last one we just went on, which was the Afterburn, which is nice because it looks like the Iron Dragon from Cedar Point, so you kind of think you're about to get ready for it. Oh boy!
Oh no! That Afterburn hit different.
It was definitely fun.
Oh yeah.
Someone, and I hope the footage makes it, when someone yelled, "This ain't the Iron Dragon."
Yeah. You can find out who that is on my YouTube page, or my Instagram page. Sorry. So check us out. Red Valley, episode 1. We will be starting our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that subscription bell, and we're definitely gonna have more content coming for you soon. Peace. I mean, it looks loserish sometimes, I get it.
Oh, you did it to prove your wolf status.
No, I did it. Whoa.
Did you have it open before you even left?
Yeah. But it was black people, they seemed nice. I gotta hold it like this. Oh man.